that's really good for a trunk build.
Yeah, I can show you a hair trick if you want.
Sure, let's do it. Okay.
Just gotta give it a second.
That's fine. Nice. Is that 2 limitless 25s?
Yeah.
Okay. Did this box come in from the back or the front?
The back.
The back? Okay, so y'all are able to fit it in. Nice. Is this a 8 or a 10-inch port? Nice. Okay.
Can't remember how long it is. I think it's like 20. I want to say 23.
So come up to about right here? Okay. And your amp in the front?
It's a Crossfire C7 4K.
Okay.
You gotta get that.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look in the back real quick. Is that all right?
Yep.
Nice. What are these subs?
Crossfire C7
C7. Okay.
And a C7 4K.
Yep. Are y'all at 1 ohm or
One.
1?
Yeah.
Okay.
For
Yeah. What size alternator?
It's a 250 Grand X.
Okay. Awesome. What was your name?
Maggie.
Maggie.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, I'll get a demo soon.
Okay. Sounds good.
Can I come in? All right. That song played really low. How low does their box play down to? What's your frequency range on it?
Probably like 19. If you can play 19, but it likes like 22 to like 35.
35? Okay, got it.
Where's Bob at?
Got it.
It's down.
At the bottom. Right there.
Alright.
There you go.
Good for a trunk build.
Yeah, I can show you a hair trick if you want.
Sure, let's do it. Okay.
Just gotta give it a second.
That's fine. So, what is your meter score out of this? How are y'all metering?
It does a 148 at 30 a month.
31, okay.
Yeah. Since then, I've done a lot of Denver, and I did spray foam in this run, so it could have either helped or made it worse.
Okay.
I'm hoping to find someone today that has a
Okay. All right. Nice to meet you. Thank you for the demo. Hey, thank y'all for the demo. Y'all have a good day. That was really good for trunk build. Nice job. Y'all have a good day. Stay cool. Nice hair trick. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.